Don't throw away your old bread, make this amazing dessert instead. Coming up to Christmas, this is ideal for the colder months of the year. Crack an egg and whisk it well, then add it to the ripped up slices of bread. Next, add milk and butter. Now the vanilla essence goes in with a couple of spoons of brown sugar. Then add the pounded spice mix followed by the sultanas. Use your hands to mix this up thoroughly. Add the mixture to a baking bowl and top it up with sultanas and bake well. Now it's time to enjoy. Click here to see how to make the famous spiced jaggery pudding.